First MCU film of the year.
Yay!
Yay! Come on, let's do this. Woo! Hey everyone, and welcome back to another edition of the CineGeeks Cinebites Review.
Video edition.
Yes, I'm Roy.
I'm Angela.
And for this video, we will be talking about the latest entry in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, and that's Captain America Brave New World.
Yes.
In this episode of the MCU, Sam Wilson, aka the new Captain America, finds himself in the middle of an international incident and must discover the motive behind a nefarious global plan.
Ooh. But of course, before we continue, please don't forget to like our video and of course subscribe to our channel and share this video.
By the way, this video is going to be non-spoilery. So no spoilers here, but if you want us to create a spoiler video for this movie, let us know in the comments below. Okay, so Ange, let's get to it. What did you think of Captain America Brave New World?
At first, I really thought na this would be a continuation of Sam's story coming from Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Kasi doon na nagsimula yung parang pag-take on niya ng role as the new Captain America from Steve Rogers. But I love that they really went a different direction and dito talaga parang mas na-establish na Sam Wilson is Captain America.
Talagang wala nang shadow of a doubt. Lahat nung mga traces ni Steve Rogers as Captain America is finally gotten rid of, or they got rid of.
Or moved on from yung Captain America being Steve Rogers.
That's right. That's right. And to that end, I loved how Anthony Mackie really just took ownership of not just being Sam Wilson. Kasi for years, he's been excellent as Sam Wilson. Diba? Pero talagang this is Sam Wilson not as Falcon, but as Captain America talaga.
There is a certain parang sureness in his stride this time.
True.
Kumbaga sa Falcon and Winter Soldier, parang nandun pa yung identity crisis niya eh. Would you agree?
Yes, I definitely see that. Especially since dun sa Falcon and Winter Soldier, kasama niya si Bucky.
He was still wrestling with the idea of him taking on the mantle.
Kasi andun yung parang quote-unquote kapatid ni Steve Rogers eh. Parang reminding him na
I'm not Steve Rogers, parang gano'n.
Or parang pwedeng feeling niya, non-verbally, sinasabihan siya ni Bucky na parang don't be like Steve. You're better, kumbaga. Yung may ganun siyang pressure.
Yeah.
Pero dito talagang wala eh. Talagang this is Sam Wilson, Captain America through and through.
And you know what? Captain America has always been about duty, honor, and patriotism. And I think Sam Wilson really fits the bill.
Yes.
Now, with or without the comparison with Steve Rogers, talagang na-embody niya yung prinsipyo, kumbaga, ni Captain America.
That's true.
Just as himself alone.
That's true.
So, I'm happy to see Sam Wilson as the new Captain America talaga. And he is the one. Kumbaga, he's the chosen
He
one.
is. He really is. And to that end, I like na ang kanyang katapat dito is si Thunderbolt Ross, now played by Harrison Ford.
Yes.
Taking over for, of course, the late William Hurt, who previously played General Ross last seen, if I'm not mistaken, in Captain America Civil War. Doon pa siya.
Sokovia
Accords pa. Dito, alam mong hindi niya ginagaya si William Hurt eh.
Yes.
Kitang-kita mo na Harrison Ford is bringing his own flavor to the character. Although, you know na he studied up on the character and parang dinagdag niya yung flair niya doon sa kay Ross. Kasi iba yung characterization ni William Hurt kay Ross.
True.
Kasi ang alam ko kasi sa comics, si Thunderbolt Ross talagang sobrang hothead na general na talagang, kaya nga siya yung parang frenemy ng Avengers eh.
Yeah.
Kasi parang isang ganun lang, parang okay, ano naman ang ginawa namin kay Ross? Si William Hurt kasi, we know him from roles before na parang yung mellow, gentle, controlled.
Diplomat. Parang a career politician.
Yun.
Ganun yung mas feel ko doon sa Thaddeus Ross niya. Pero parang ito yung mas comic accurate eh.
Oo, kasi diba? Alam yung talagang nagtitimpilan talaga. Oh my God.
Para siyang laging ticking time bomb.
Oo. And it's been shown naman in the trailer, so it's not a spoiler anymore.
Yes.
Na Thunderbolt Ross becomes the Red Hulk. So parang mas earned ngayon yung pagiging Red Hulk.
Mas bagay
Ross,
sa kanya. Oo. And masabi ko lang sorry, kasi talagang ito na naman yung pagiging 90s kid ko Parang I really can't stop thinking about the movie Air Force One. Pag nakikita ko si Harrison Ford as the president and he's on a plane.
True. Yung kanina nga isip ko na parang sasabihin kaya dito yung get off my plane.
Get off my plane.
Diba?
Yeah.
Anyway,
iconic.
True. Anyway, ang masabi ko lang na what I would have loved to see more of is, although there are elements from previous iterations ng MCU na lumabas si Sam, na andi dito pa din, especially si Isaiah Bradley, also in the trailer. So
yes.
Not a spoiler. I would have loved to see more. Parang yung world na nabuo or nabuksan ni Sam Wilson nung Falcon and Winter Soldier, or even kahit nung nasa Infinity Saga pa siya.
Madripoor.
Yung Madripoor, si Sharon Carter, yung mga, alam ko lumabas pa nga, na-meet ba niya si Val? Pero Val is gonna come out in Thunderbolts later this year.
Yes.
So we'll watch out for that. Pero yun yung, what I'm trying to say is parang, I know that the serialization aspect of the MCU has been a weakness of it as of late. Kasi naging unwieldy na yung narrative.
Ang dami na din kasing gustong ikwento and too many characters are being introduced at the same time. So parang this time naman, I like how grounded it was and how self-contained the story was. Reminiscent of the first phases of the Infinity Saga.
Well, I mean, I guess it does really feel na para talagang it's a reset. No, para siyang, kumbaga, kasi nga sa sobrang ang gulo na nung narrative ng MCU, especially where they're gonna take this really soon.
Yes.
They need a hard reset, kumbaga, bago yung the reset to end all resets.
Okay, yeah.
Pero kasi para sa akin, sana lang na kung papunta din naman tayo ng Secret Wars, that's not a secret. Parang sana nag-commit na lang sila dun sa insanity nung ang dami nung lumalabas. So parang sige, pasok nila din. Diba?
Pero you have to still offer a little bit of, parang organized chaos
Well, that's true.
And Captain America has always been the pillar. Siya yung parang solid ground
That's true.
'Di ba? Kahit yung kay Steve Rogers pa, yung mga Captain America, albeit political, it's always parang the setting of the stage of what's to come.
That's
'Di ba? For example, Winter Soldier, Civil War.
Yung mga ganun.
Yun yung nag-establish ng events na that would snowball into bigger
That's true. That's true. I mean, yun lang naman yung masasabi kong parang I would have loved to see more of. Parang more connective tissue to the bigger narrative. Pero dito, I mean, as far as action is concerned, I mean, basta Captain America talaga, it's one of the more reliable franchises in the MCU in terms of action. Ang dami dito mga action sequences na parang alam mo, iniisip ko kanina, di ba binabato ni Sam yung shield niya?
Yeah.
Parang, oh my God, nag-iisip ba siya ng geometric angle niya habang binabato niya?
I think
so. Talagang may
lalo
angles.
pa, meron pa siyang XY na kasi lumilipad pa siya
Buti hindi siya nag-3D, may Z-axis pa yung
may mga mark pa siya
may ganun protector sa akit, pang ganun bigla yung shield niya.
So para na tayong nasa nasa Top Gun.
Nagmamath pa si Sam habang nagbabato ng shield niya.
The hypotenuse.
Oh my God. Anyway, for me, in spite of yung me wanting more connectiveness of this movie to the greater MCU, I still had a fun time. And I'm gonna give this an A-. Ikaw?
Same. Solid A-.
Yes.
Kasi I feel like this is the start of a continuing story. It feels so right.
It feels so right. sorry.
So parang ito pa lang yung, kumbaga, the first domino that would parang become something bigger. Parang ito yung pinakauna among the many dominoes that would fall eventually.
That's true. Please ask for a spoiler video because we have so many things we want to talk about in a spoilery fashion that we can't right now.
Yes.
Especially yung sinasabi mong direction na parang the first domino to fall.
The start of something new.
God, muntik na lumabas sa bibig ko.
Diba?
Ay, nako. Anyway, A- for Captain America Brave New World.
So, Cinegeeks, what did you think of Captain America Brave New World? And of course, if you haven't seen it, at least answer this. What is your favorite Captain America film? Okay? Kahit yung mga Chris Evans film pa, anong favorite nyo doon? Comment below and let us know.
That's right. So, for the Cinegeeks Cinebites review series, this is Roy.
And Angela.
We'll see you in the next one.